Welcome to the Tunis Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Eitada. This is the Tunis Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Esperance 0. Brother, how's it?
I'm not.
Good man. You're taking the game today?
Yeah, today I was here to support Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, game bonning for now it will very good because of what is important. It's a win. And that they got to win, they walk away with the win. Mr. Eriko I need to respect Mamelodi Sundowns. Kankane because can I live 8 or 7 Mamelodi Sundowns it's already go squatting. For me, if they are doing well, go I don't have war le Mamelodi Sundowns. Ntwa ka tla ba le bona ka mo hae. Bona be nomba dala Club World Cup. Experience sa ba se kireang e ba dala Continental. Ke experience se se re berekelang e ro dala ko Bafana Bafana. If it was not Mamelodi Sundowns that are dominating, if it was not Orlando Pirates ba join Muzabalazo le bona ba dala ka mokholo. I can tell you Bafana Bafana rena inkebe sa respect is a respecting Continental. But ona be no every team e tshwantse dala le rena they get too much stressed. Look at the gap e re bileng le ona e Nigeria. Why? Because of football in South Africa, it's growing. How does it grow? It's grow when we get the tactics and experience when we compete outside. So for me, they've done very well. I wish them to do well, even they go outside. But I'm not happy about the supporters' behavior, the supporters' experience. Esperance. Behave such a way. We as a South African, we don't behave like that's not a football. They need to respect football and not behave such a way. Misbehave. If they want to misbehave like that, they must go and join WWE SmackDown. There's a sports rugby John Cena and Triple H. They must go and fight. They must go and fight there, not in football. So I'm sure what is going to happen if the supporters are down to this idea experience. If Bakonwira didn't talk, exactly. So FIFA must do something about behavior so. But anyway, congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns. Credit to them. For though they win today doesn't mean that they're gonna beat us at Nedbank. We've been preparing this. We've been preparing this. Nabi was here today. I've got proof here. Nabi was here today to come here and get some Ashebe game. You're going to that game, So this is a video. This is a video. So I'm happy about him. I saw people they're starting to attack Nabi. Let us be patient with our coach. Problem Kaizer Chiefs is not coach, it's a players. Game Marte enkeba penalty. But if players they are not doing well, then we want to blame coach. Let us Motaung family give him the players that he deserves to have on the squad. We got Sirinos performing very well. We got Lilepo, they're performing very well. Let us get 5 more players like those players. Then we can change the team. After next season, then we're gonna have a doubt on him. I know he played. He got 29 points. It's hard, but it's players. It's not him. Let's support him. It's too early for us. Even Bagatisa Pep Guardiola. Kaizer Chiefs. Utodi loser the game kama khona be di loser. Until re kry the player kama kho season budget ile ko technical team. Budget next season aye ko di player.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.